Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. I hope everyone is doing well. I know it's been a hot minute since I uploaded a YouTube video. So today I wanted to do a get ready with me. I'm doing my auditioning makeup. I have a few auditions to do today, so I thought it would be a great opportunity for me to sit down and just catch up with you guys. So without further ado, let's begin. Alright, so I'm going to start with my foundation, and today I'm using the e.l.f. Flawless Satin Foundation. This is one of my favorite foundations. This is in color Vanilla. So it's been a minute, and it's just been a lot of different things going on. Let's see, let me start with last year. Yeah, last year I went for the holidays back to the East Coast, back to New Jersey to visit family. And it was great to see family and all, but everything went crazy around the world, so especially in the East Coast at that time. So it wasn't completely ideal, but I still got to see family and spend time with them, which it was great. Not everyone, because of how everything blew up over there. You know what I'm talking about. You know what's been going on. So that was nice. We went there for almost a month, and it was pretty long. It felt really long being away from home. And when I came back, I had a lot of things to do. I had to unpack. I had like 5 large luggages, 4 carry-ons, plus our backpacks, so it was a lot of things. Plus, I had left all my Christmas decorations here in the house, so I had to put everything away. Packing Christmas away and just get settled down. Yeah, I wanted to show you guys what I got for Christmas. I thought I got really cool stuff, and I wanted to share with you guys. Let me just not get distracted. All right, so I've pretty much been putting my foundation on all over. Sometimes I don't have time to just sit down and make it glamorous, especially for auditioning. You kind of want to do as natural as you can. But the thing is that with my setup, with lights in your background and your camera, sometimes it tends to wash you off. So you kind of have to even out your skin tone, you know, make sure you kind of put those features back into your face instead of looking so flat. And in my opinion, you have to use a lot of powder so there's no shiny places in your face. So I usually tend to put a little more makeup, like blush and a little more eyeshadow, just so it could accentuate more of my features and not look too flat. But I'll show you what I mean. All right, so now I'm gonna put my concealer, and this is a CoverGirl Clean Fresh concealer, and this is in 350 light medium. And I'm just gonna put it here, up to lift it up. And now with this Real Techniques brush, this is which one? This is a crease brush, but it works so well for the under eye area. Let me see, the first thing I got, which I thought was one of the coolest, was a bullet journal. I don't know if you guys are familiar with a bullet journal. This one right here, mine is yellow, and it has like dots everywhere. I don't know if you can see that. And pretty much you can make it your own. So far, this is what I have and I've been doing, and I've been loving it. I've been doing my own layout. Let me see, where's the daily log part? This is the daily log for me, so many things to do. So, I mean, I'm probably gonna do a video on this because I've been experimenting with it and watching videos on it, but I really love this. This is really, really good. I'm a big fan of planners, so this is right up my alley. And with that, I also received their multicolored pens. Oh my God, and this one has red, orange, green, blue, purple, black, and I just love this because it saves space. Instead of taking so many pens, I just take one and I just could do anything with it, doodle with it in my journal. So just nice. You know, these are also called bujos, or they call them bujo journals. I didn't know that, but I think they're pretty cool. I also got, look at this, a highlighter star, and it's so cool because instead of taking so many, this is so essential for actors, especially when you are working on your script. You know, you use a lot of different highlighter colors, so this is awesome. They're all into one, and it saves you space anywhere you want to go, in your purse, in your pocketbook, anywhere. So I thought this was cool. All right, let me blend this in more before it completely dries. Now I'm going to go in with my bronzer, and I've been loving this one by e.l.f., the putty bronzer, and this is in tan lines, I think. Yeah, tan lines. And I'm gonna go in with this brush that is for, oh, this is medium shadow brush, but I just love it to apply my bronzer with. Look, I love it so much, it's almost done. Such a good bronzer, I love it. Just to bring some warmth back into my face. All right, so what else I got? Oh, I also got these brushes. These are bamboo brushes, and they came in this little brush bag. So cute. And this is from Angelina's Place, it says. I guess it's a boutique, and this brand is Cleof, and I think it's just so cute. I love this color. I'm gonna be linking everything in the description box down below, so if you're interested. I'm gonna just finish doing my bronzer before I get more distracted. Yeah, this is the quickest makeup routine that I could do, and it's just so good. It looks good on camera. I just love it. I also got a lot of Amazon gift cards, which it was cool because we were able to buy our toaster oven air fryer. A toaster oven. What is it? An air fryer, toaster oven, Well, it's a toaster oven and it's an air fryer, so there you go. It's such a good purchase. I mean, we use it every day. Oh, the scalp brush. Oh my god, I'm so late on this, but it's so good. I just love it. It's like, I use it before I shower to just remove buildup from my scalp because I do use dry shampoo, you know, and hairspray, so it really works. Oh, I also got a little humidifier, and it's so tiny, and I'll insert the footage here because I don't have it with me right now. It's on my night table, and it's great. It's such a little tiny little thing, but it humidifies really well throughout the night. And also you can use it for your plants, you know, for the plants that need more moisture. So it's pretty cool. I love it. Oh, you know, another cool thing that I did actually before the year ended last year, I actually did new headshots. So I'll put them right here. I wanted to add a few headshots that were more dramatic. The ones I have are a little more commercial. So I added 3 more headshots that are a little more professional and dramatic to my portfolio. All right, so I'm gonna powder my face, and I'm gonna be using the Milani Translucent Light to Medium Setting Powder. This is in 01. All right, so now I'm going to do my blush. And this is one of my favorite palettes. When I went to the East Coast, this is what I took. This is my favorite. This is from Profusion. This is the Blush 3 palette. It's all worn out because of how much I use it. And I just love these colors. Right now, I'm mixing these 2 right here, which are Chic and Bliss. And this one, Splendid, is my favorite for summertime. So I dab this here like this, and just through here, and voila. And I just feel like that gives me the most natural glow on my cheeks. See? And I add extra because sometimes it doesn't show on camera. Well, here it shows very well, but once I put the lights here on both sides, yeah, it's not gonna show as much. All right, so now I'm gonna do my eyes, and I've been using this palette right here, the Rose Gold eyeshadow palette from e.l.f. I had this so long, and I've been using this a lot, especially for auditioning because it has so many really neutral tones. So I use this one right here, and I use this to bring me more depth into my eyelids. So I'm gonna use it right here in the crease to just give me a more open and awake look. And then I just blend that in well all the way up to the eyebrow. So since I was away for a while, I just started auditioning again last week, and it's been really good. I mean, I had 4 auditions last week. I have 4 auditions today, and it's just Monday. So I feel blessed. I feel very grateful that opportunities are coming in. I was just away too long, and I was not able to concentrate on what I needed to do. So that leads me to believe that the new headshots are getting attention, so pretty cool. Also, during the holidays, I was obsessing with kitchen organization videos on YouTube. Oh my God. I just kept watching them back to back, and you know, guess what? I'm gonna organize my kitchen, so you know that's coming too. All right, so after this is the one I just used, and I used this one. It's a pinkier color, and I'm gonna use that all over the lid, just like this. Oh, and also I forgot this one with the one I did the crease. I'm gonna just get some on my brush and run it in the under eye area right here. See, it kind of gives it some dimension, so I like that. What else am I gonna do this year? I mean, I don't have a set schedule until when I'm uploading videos, so you will kind of see them coming in here and there. I know it just gets so busy sometimes, and you know, at the end of last year I started getting auditions. Then the holidays were right around the corner, so it just got really busy. And now I'm gonna use my Lock In Liner and Brow Cream by e.l.f. and this is in medium brown, and this I love. This product is my favorite for brow, and also to give myself a little wing sometimes. I just love it because it's dual purpose, and it's just one product that I can take in my bag. So, oh, I love this product. And then I smudge it a little bit so it's not so pronounced. Just like that. Yeah, I still have to do my hair. I just wanted to let it air dry for a bit, so I could just use less heat. And now I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows. Comb them up. Oh, I also got an eyelash lift. Well, it was 2 months ago. Still some of them are curled. I don't know if you can see that. Some of them still curl, but once you curl your lashes, you know, as the natural process of you shedding your lashes, it goes away. So some of them are still there, but most of them already grew straight. But I loved it. Here are my new headshots. Look at it. This one, I didn't have any mascara, so on its own, it looked really, really good. Definitely recommended. I would say it lasted about 2 months for me, you know, with the natural cycle of my lashes. 2 months for me, but I heard from other people that it had lasted for them around 6 months or so. So it's different for everyone, but for me, I really loved it. So I definitely want to do it again. I don't know how I felt about doing extensions, lash extensions. It's just because it is costly and you have to do it pretty often. So I wasn't sure. And this one, I could just wash it and it was fine. So I don't know. In my opinion, I thought it was really worth it more than lashes. Oh, another thing that I got for Christmas were these. These are sun protecting gloves by Coolie Bar. Oh my God, I thought it was awesome because here in California, the sun shines almost every day. And I was like, oh my God, you know, I'm getting sun exposure when I drive. So look at these, so cool. So when you're driving, you know, you just put them on and protect your hands from the sun, you know, from aging due to sun exposure. So I thought it was cool. The only thing about these are that they are not touchscreen. So let's say you're following directions on your phone or whatever, it will not read your finger. So, you know, that's the only thing about them. I don't know if they have other ones. So I was so excited when I got them. Oh, they're just awesome. But yeah, just be aware that they're not touchscreen. They might have some, right, that are touchscreen. I'm not sure. I'm gonna check it out, and if I find it, I'll link it down below. But I just think these are awesome, and they come in a little pouch like this. So you just put them. I always carry in my purse, but I want to get a second pair and put it in my car. So another product I've been using a lot is this Revolution Soap Brow, and it's been holding really good. I really like this. All right, my battery had died, so I had to replace it. Okay, so back to the brows. I love it. It's such a good product. Just let them dry. All right, now I'm gonna curl my lashes. Oh yeah, I also have to do my vision board for this year. I didn't do it yet. It's just like I have so much to do. So definitely gotta take the time this week to do it. So many new plans and goals, you know. All right, so now I'm gonna apply my mascara, and this is the CoverGirl Lash Last Clean Mascara. And I have tried the waterproof version of this on my video review for CoverGirl. Right here, I'll link it up here. But I'm using the non-waterproof one, and it's really, really good as well. I really like this one. I'm gonna put some on the lower lashes. And that's it. And lastly, I'm gonna do my lips, and I'm gonna be using this lip liner by Milani. It's called Nude. This is 03 Nude with the e.l.f. Duo lipstick, which is Day and Night. And it comes with these two colors. I mix it in, and it gives us such a nice flesh tone. Just line my lips. This is just my favorite, and it's awesome because it's 2 lipsticks in one, and I could just take it with me anywhere. So I'm just happy that I found products that have dual purpose and, you know, take less space in my purse, and I don't need to carry many things with me. Then I start with the daytime color that is more of a pale pink, and I put that on. It's my base. Such a pretty color. And then I use the nighttime side, just a little darker, just one swipe. and it creates this color, which I think it's really nice. And on camera, it looks really, really good. Ta-da! So this is it. I just did my hair because I have to get to auditioning, but this is it. This is my auditioning makeup look. And I think this look could be worn anytime, everyday makeup. It looks very natural, nothing too glamorous. So I think it works for anyone, you know, not just auditioning. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. I'm super excited to be back and create more content for you guys, so stay tuned. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to let you know every time I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. This is how I look, so it doesn't look so exaggerated. It looks very natural. And that's it. And I use this too big. I have a little bit.